Hello, are you looking to live and work in Panama? Well, if you're lucky and you are under the Friendly Nations visa list of countries, you can apply for the Friendly Nations visa for work. In this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to apply for the Friendly Nations visa by work. My name is Giovanna Bernal. I'm a Panama attorney with more than 20 years of experience. The Friendly Nations visa is an incredible opportunity to obtain permanent residency with a list of countries from over 50 countries. The first thing is to check whether your country is listed under the Friendly Nations visa list. For instance, the United States, Canada, most European countries, some of the LATAM countries, and some other particular countries also from Asia are included under the Friendly Nations visa. Therefore, if your country is on the list, you are eligible to apply for this type of visa. Then you have to secure employment or set up your own business in Panama. If you obtain a job offer, you will have to ask your employer to provide you with a job letter that will be part of the visa application, also a certificate of good standing and the business license on your employer. If you're more entrepreneurial and you want to start a new business in Panama or grow the business that you already have, it might be interesting and challenging for you to start a new business and maybe hire yourself and then hire more people and grow your business in Panama. You will have to set up your own LLC or corporation and then get a business license on it, and of course comply with all the tax compliance that is needed in order to keep a company in good standing in Panama. Also, if you are adding dependents into this application, for example, spouse and children, you will need to open a bank account in Panama to show that you have the solvency on those dependents. And then the rest is quite similar as the other visa programs. You will have to collect your background check and get it authenticated with apostille or by a Panamanian consulate near you. If you are independent, if you are adding a spouse, you will have to also provide a marriage certificate. If you are adding children in your application, their birth certificates. Also, it's important to know that if you're coming with family, you would have to collect as well the permit to travel in case one of the parents is traveling, because if you become residents in Panama and one parent is traveling with children, they will have to collect this permit. This is also important. Also, if you are applying with children but the other parent is not applying, or because you are divorced or separated or some other reason, the parent that is not traveling needs to provide permit. And remember that all these documents needs to be authenticated in your home country. For this visa, you need to make a trip to Panama to collect and take the picture of your temporary. This temporary ID is good for 6 months, which means that the immigration office will review your application and give an answer in less than 6 months. You will get then a provisional ID for 2 years, and after 2 years there is another application with pretty much the same requirements but the background check in order to request permanent residency, and after that you will get a permanent residency card plus your e-cedula, which is a type of ID that we have in Panama that can work as a type of ID. I hope you like this video. We invite you to like and share it, subscribe to this channel, follow us on social media, and if you're interested in learning more about this visa, you can always click in the link below for a Zoom consultation. Bye.